all agencies, all departments, ay pinapa-double time talaga ni Pino, even before pa. Ito naman, this is our role. Everybody has its role in the rehabilitation. Kami sa UST with DNR, this is our role. Now, I'd like to highlight maybe four things lang. Number one is that because of the way we implemented the DREAM project, we developed the capability, as mentioned earlier ni Dr. Karingit, because we have the know-how, we can also develop other applications. That's why we volunteered that we are open, they are open for other kind of applications that would be needed by the rehabilitation effort. Second is that, again, maybe twice na sinabi ni Dr. Lagmay, for example, for Pablo, you know, 6 municipalities?
6 Marcela, sir.
It was not really part of the DREAM project or even our project, but we have to divert resources to Mindanao, to Compostela Valley, and to be able to, with NGP, to come up with safe areas for mass evacuation center. And it was able to withstand an even more siguro severe time weather event after a year. So it just siguro proves that the approach is tama. Now we are talking of 171. Again, we are diverting, we are aligning all the resources of DREAM, NOAA, NGP, and others para lang maka-support for the rehabilitation efforts.